Unit 8, Chapter 2, Tommy is Lost. 1. Listen and read. Here is a nice story of a boy and his pet dog. Once there was a boy. His name was Joy. Joy had a dog. The dog's name was Tommy. Joy liked Tommy very much. Joy said, "Come, Tommy, let's go for a walk. It's very hot. We will go to the pond." Joy and Tommy began to walk. The pond was inside a forest. Suddenly, Tommy saw a fox passing by. Tommy ran after the fox. "Stop, Tommy, stop!" shouted Joy. But Tommy did not stop. Joy ran after Tommy, but he could not catch Tommy. "Oh, Tommy is lost!" cried Joy. Joy sat on a stone and sobbed. "Tommy's gone, and I'm lost. What will I do?" he cried. Then Joy saw Tommy coming back soon. Joy hugged Tommy and cried in joy. "I'm still lost, but I have you," he said. "Don't worry, Joy, I know the way," said Tommy. "We'll go." And Tommy and Joy reached home safely. 2. Find the rhyming words from the story. 1. Box, fox. 2. Pot. Which word rhymes with it? Yes, you are right. Hot. 3. Say, way. 4. Boy, joy. 5. Pan. Yes, you are right. The word that rhymes with it is ran.